Looking for buyers maybe to support it here, okay, around 742. They're in the book here at least. And then let's see if they come in on the buy side. Okay, nice clusters of buying up here. So looking for exhaustion on the sell side and looking for maybe a move back up. Okay, let's just zoom in a little bit. Okay, we're coming right to 742. Let's see if we transact into 742. Just 1,840 contracts there. And now looking for the aggressive buyers to start to come in. And let's see if we can get them up here around 745, and then looking for our move into 744, I'm sorry. Then, yeah, I'd be looking for the 745 and then 750. Yeah, here they come. This is what we're looking for, right? And looking for them to break it on this little move here. Okay, so let's see if they can. We've come down, we've tested it again. I'm looking for buyers here. We should get it, and we should get the move up into 45. And let's just zoom vertically here a little bit more. Yeah, and then looking for a bigger move up into 50, basically. Okay, so starting to unfold. Okay, and then let's see. We got to see the buyers on above or at this area right now. Okay, otherwise we're going to get another rotation. Okay, and we could even go back down to 40, but it's looking pretty good on the buy side here. So looking for the pop up into 750. Okay, we'll come back and we'll revisit this one, but it's looking good so far. This is the anticipated move to the upside here. All right. So there's your equities, and that's the difference between the equities, okay, and the futures, and we'll go into cryptocurrencies and take a look as well. Okay, but nice stuff here in the equities. I like looking at the equities quite a bit. Yeah, nice clarity in terms of larger players here. Almost up to 50, still looking good, still looking for buyers here. If we get a pullback, okay, we'd be looking for, well, we're just about to the area of pullback, and that'd be 45 right here. Still looking for the move here. Here we go. We should get the move. I think we can even break through 750 here. Probably come up to 755 here. Let's see here. It's because it's been rotating back and forth here, but you see there's still buying interest here. Yeah, looking for them to trade into and through this here, and we should get it on this rotation, I imagine. There we go. Okay, so let's see 755. Strong volume here, guys. So that might have been just initial stops being popped here, but still looking for strong volume to reach 755 here, the next level of liquidity. Okay, glad I caught that last minute there. You can see, I mean, the S&P, all markets do this, especially that S&P. We were looking for 750 earlier. It rotated back and forth here, but we knew that there was support down here at 45. We knew the sellers didn't come down and test it, only here, and they stayed in the book and transacted. Okay, and then we rotate back up, and we're looking for those buyers and looking for 750 and through it. Okay, so just, after these rotations, looking for those buyers to really ramp it up, and they are. Okay, so we're looking for 755 now. How do you place trades on the chart? Okay, yeah, like with the one-click trading, you open up the trade control panel. You can trade from the chart, from the DOM, or both. For those of you who are familiar with the DOM, okay, I'm going to show you that. Well, I'm just going to point you to a lot of videos here, I think, and how to get there. Okay, well, go to Help, Bookmap Portal. Okay, that'll open the portal here. Right now, you can also just go to our YouTube page directly, but then once you log into the portal here, you don't need to log in to get to where or access what I want to show you here. But when you log in, you get access to the educational course here, as well as when you click on the register to webinars, you'll be able to register to the proper webinars okay, like the advanced webinars, etc. Okay, if you're just a guest, you will still get access to these playlists here. So this is the one to go to, features and components. Okay, click on that, and that's going to take you to features and components playlist, and scroll down here, and then the Bookmap one-click trading is videos number 23 and 24. Okay, and this will go through all the details on how you place trades, okay, within Bookmap. Yeah, we've been going for about an hour now. I don't want to demo trades at the moment. It's just going to, you know, take another 10 minutes here. I'll just refer you guys to these these videos here. It is a really powerful tool. I like it very, very much. I use it all the time in Bookmap. You set bracketed orders here. I'll demo it quickly here. So let's say, you know, my strategies, like we were bullish, or well, I missed the bullish move, right? I would have bought as market buy order and looking for that carry through. Now I'm looking for a pullback basically though. Okay, and well, here I'll just set a limit buy down here. Okay, right. So I'm looking for that pullback here. You can see it's already pulled back to this area here. So I might have just missed it, and maybe we'll even get the breakout into 56 and 58 up here. But it's already traded into 55. That was our initial target. Okay, so now I have to either look for pullbacks or look for another breakout. I'm willing to be a buyer down here with 100 shares. Okay, and here's my reasoning, right? I'm kind of in front of the 750 where we broke from, and this volume cluster here, right? And that's what I'm willing to risk, okay, on this trade. All right. Now, if you wanted to, I will demo the because it's just so powerful. I'll demo it. Let's just see. I'll probably get filled here. Come on, fill me. Okay. All right. So just got filled. And where are my? Oh shoot. Okay, I just lost really quickly. Okay, so here's why. Because I had 6 cents on my take profit and stop loss. Yikes. Okay, newer versions of Bookmap, you're going to be able to, you know, have higher take profits and stop loss for your stocks here. Okay, but let's try that again here. Flatten that again. Let's try that one more time. There we go. Okay, 100 shares, and then I can left click hold and drag this up and drag this back down. Okay, so there I go. That's what I'm looking for. Is front running high liquidity up here. Okay, at 760, and then you know, let's say now I got it here kind of late, right? But the breakout still looks pretty good. So still looking for it, pretty high volume here, right? So looking for it to continue. And now what I'm going to do though is I'm going to, I don't want to risk too much here, so I'm going to move my stop to break even right here. Left click, hold and drag. Okay, beautiful stuff here. I really, really like this one-click trading. And let's cover why. First off, I can react to what's here in front in the heat map. Okay, this is fantastic. Right, I know exactly where the liquidity is. I know what my strategies are here. I've already reduced my risk as well. I'm at break even. Okay, now I'm watching. You know, I may move my stop up or even my take profit down if I see something in the order flow here. But so far, so good. Okay, and that's what I'm looking for. The thing that I like so much is not only being able to react very, very quickly here to order flow, and then being able to front run high liquidity or hide stops behind high liquidity, etc. But I'm also able to go, and this is probably the most important aspect, is look how everything is recorded here. Okay, I can't escape it. Like, these were my actions, right? I had my stop down here. I moved it up and to break even. Okay. Well, let's say I get stopped out at break even here, right? If I get stopped out at break even, what did I do wrong? Or, you know, I can go back and debrief my trading, okay, and know precisely, because it's all recorded here, right? You know, so you can't escape it, right? So yeah, here we go, and just about to get filled here. It looks like it's going to probably try to escape me. So I'm going to move it down here because there we go. Okay, so I'm filled, right? Well, that was my trade decision, right? And I've seen this, you know, you see it 100 times. Like I was maybe a little too greedy here in this one, right? Like maybe you see this little liquidity here at 59. Well, I should have front ran that, right? And I mean, you'd still may come up to 60, 70, you know, 80, who knows, right? But I'm looking for it to come up into 60. That was my move, okay? And I was front running it here. Well, now I can optimize that though. I've got the information in front of me. Okay, I can move my, see how I was maybe a little too greedy here, or moved it up a little too much and didn't front run this liquidity here. That's what I should have done. Instead, I chased after it here, and then I got filled at this point here. Okay, and you can see the bracketed order. Then as soon as that one gets filled here, it cancels my my buy or my sell stop down here. Okay, and then I'm out. I'm done, and that's that. But all my recording and activity here is on the chart. This is such a good way to debrief, right? So I learned just from that. Well, I should have probably looked into this and came in a little bit closer here and optimized this a little bit better. Okay. Or what if I got stopped out immediately, really quickly here? And this happens to me all the time. This is something that I continue to kind of struggle with, is I move up my stops too aggressively, right? I'm looking for the move to happen quickly, but a lot of times, you know, I got a good entry and I move my stop up too quickly and I get stopped out. Okay, now I didn't lose anything, right? Because I was at break even. But the move ended up, you know, going to the upside here. So how do I overcome that? Well, don't move my stop up too quickly is one way. Another way is come in with multiple contracts, or, you know, multiple, maybe 200 shares or 50 shares and 50 shares. Okay? And then I could take partial profit up here. Then I could truly move my stop way down here and it would still be break even, okay, on the overall 100 shares. Okay, I would take a loss on 50 but a gain on 50, right? And I would still be at break even. That's why we cover trading strategies, but we don't go into too much detail, because that's not reading the order flow here, right? You know, there's tons of information out there on strategy. Okay, so you know, and you can apply all sorts of different strategies within the order flow here. And I just covered about 3 or 4 of them. All right. Let's see here, Jerry. So where's my profit displayed? Yeah, it's this here. So the beige line and triangle, that's where I got filled. Okay, and the purple is stops. Okay, so the beige is buy, the purple is stops. All right, guys. So we're over our hour period here. Let's call it a week. Thanks for coming, everybody, and we will catch up with you on Monday. Okay. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.